Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can redeem codes in Monopoly Go. So to do that, you cannot do it through the game or app itself. You'll need a browser. You can use your mobile's browser as well. It won't be a problem. So open your browser and search for Monopoly Go, and you will see their official website, monopolygo.com. You'll have to go there, and then you'll have to log in with your account. So the account that you are playing through your mobile device, you'll have to log in to that account. So you will be taken, after logging in, you will be taken to this home page where you will see your board and all, and at the left side you will see some options, and here you will see reward codes. So press on that. So after pressing on that, you will see that you can claim your rewards here. You will have to enter the code here and press go. So simply copy and paste your reward codes here and press go, and it will automatically be claimed and be sent to your mobile device. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.